Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Kajabi, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Kajabi account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the settings option in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on settings to access various features. Next, locate the billing section within the settings menu. In the billing section, you'll see details related to your current subscription. Review your current plan to understand your monthly and annual costs. If you want to create a budget, consider your total income from Kajabi. Identify all your revenue streams, such as sales of products or memberships. Now, calculate your total expenses, including Kajabi's fees and any additional costs. Make a list of all recurring expenses to keep track. Create a simple budgeting spreadsheet to log your income and expenses. Input your anticipated revenue at the top of the spreadsheet. Then, list each expense beneath the revenue. Be sure to include a column for the date each expense is due. This will help you stay organized and on track with payments. As you start generating income, update your budget regularly. Remember to compare your actual income to your projected income. Adjust your budget accordingly to reflect any changes. Set aside a percentage of your earnings for reinvestment in your business. Consider creating an emergency fund to cover unexpected costs. Finally, review your budget monthly to ensure you're meeting your financial goals. This process will help you manage your finances effectively with Kajabi. Stay disciplined and consistent with your budgeting efforts for the best outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.